Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very traditional German recipe for apple cake. Let's get started.
First, our ingredients. We need 3 large apples, whichever kind is your favorite will work. 2/3 cup or 150 grams of butter. 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 2 eggs. 1 37-gram package of vanilla pudding mix to cook, not instant. 2 cups or 250 grams of flour. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1/3 cup or 75 milliliters milk. Start out by peeling, coring, and slicing your apples. Feel free to use older or bruised fruit. Cake is a great opportunity to use up older fruit. I prefer slices of apples, but you can also cut your apples into cubes if you prefer. Then, in a large mixing bowl, put your butter in and cream until fluffy. Add the salt and sugar and cream together. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Scrape the bowl occasionally. In a separate bowl, combine all the dry ingredients together: the flour, pudding mix, and baking powder. Now mix in the dry ingredients. Alternating with the milk until everything is combined. Then, with a spatula, fold in the apples. There are a lot of apples compared to batter. Fold until all the apples are covered with batter. Pour into a greased and lined cake pan. I'm using a 10-inch square springform pan, but any large cake pan should work. Spread the batter around evenly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely and cut it into squares. This cake is soft, moist, and full of apples. It's not too sweet and is a great cake for fruit lovers who aren't crazy about things that are too sweet. In my opinion, the only thing missing is a teaspoon of cinnamon or two, so that's an option if you like. I hope you love this recipe. Tag me on Instagram if you make it yourself. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook. Subscribe for more recipes.